How to make a YouTube short in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and launch our CapCut application. As you do so, you will see a page like this. In here, first of all, import the project that you would like to make YouTube shorts. Then click on to open. In my case, I already have added a one project file. Now, in order to make this YouTube shorts, what you can do is, this by default is 16 by 9, which is a PC size. Click onto ratio, and the shorts size are normally 9 by 16, which is also a mobile view. You can click onto 9 by 16. This will be suitable for your mobile view. You can also click and expand your video. This is the suitable mobile YouTube shorts. Once done, you have to click onto play. And that way, the entire video will be played onto 9 by 16 ratio, which is also the mobile and the TikTok ratio size. Once you're satisfied, click on to export on your top right, and that way you can go ahead and upload this video onto your YouTube Shorts. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.